Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all just an easy little recipe for some pecan pralines. This little recipe is so good for sharing. This is something that you can pack up and give, dress it up pretty and give it out. And it's really very simple. I know people fuss about it and think they got to have the candy thermometer and all this nonsense, but you really don't. I'm going to show you just the easy way, no candy thermometer, and just some simple ingredients. I've got some pecans here that now I have roasted at 350 for about 7 to 8 minutes, and that just really brings that flavor out. Got a cup of brown sugar, a cup of powdered sugar, half a stick of butter, some vanilla and cream, and that is all you need. Just some simple goodness. And y'all know how I like them simple little recipes. So let's get started in making this candy. Like I said, this is great to give. It's Christmas time. Get in your kitchen and make your people some goodies. A lot of times people just have everything they need anyway, so this always will hit the spot. So let's get to cooking it. Alright y'all, I've got my heat on medium. You don't want to be boiling or scalding this. We're going to cook it slow, and we're going to start with a stick of butter, and we're going to just dump this in. You don't have to wait for the butter to melt or anything, because it's going to mix with this 1 cup of brown sugar. And it's just going to cook slow and do its thing. And we're going to also go ahead and add our cream. You want 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, or you can use evaporated milk, whichever you want to do. It's going to be delicious. All right. Now you can use brown sugar. I suggest you use the light brown sugar, not the dark brown sugar. Because the dark brown sugar has more of a molasses taste to it, and brown sugar is what you want to do for this. But we're just going to let this melt, and just going to let it cook for a minute. Look, it's already melting, looking like caramel already. And it's really, really easy, y'all. We're just going to let it cook up to a boil. When it starts to boil, you just let it boil for 1 minute. When it starts bubbling and getting all happy and excited, then we're going to take it off the eye and add the rest of our ingredients. So I'm just going to sit here, and you do want to stir this. Just keep it stirred. You don't want to stick. And I'll bring it back when it's boiling, so you can see how it's supposed to look. Okay, y'all, it's only been about 3 or 4 minutes now, I would say, and it's starting to get happy in there.
Doing its thing.
Doing it, look, little bubbles. Now, when it starts to get to a full boil, then I'm gonna time it for 1 minute, because it's got to go for a minute. And just a little trick for these, if for some reason it don't set for some reason, you can always throw it back in the pan and just let it go a little while longer. All right, she's starting to bubble. Let's count down a minute now. Look at that bubbling. All right, so just go keep it stirring too. Alright, it's 122. But, and also a little tip, cleaning your pot, because it does get a little sticky. You can just add some water back into your pot and just set it to boil, and it'll come right out. Thankfully, I'm using a non-stick pot, so there we go. Yeah, she's a-rolling. This is what you want it to look like, though. Look at them bubbles. Yummy, yummy. It's all about the heat. Making pralines, all about the heat. That's why I say, if for some reason it don't set, honey, you just throw that back in the pot. You might want to add a tablespoon of milk or so in it. But here we go. All right.
It looks delicious.
Look at there. It does. Yummy. All right, now we're going to turn the heat off. Kind of set it to the side. Now you want to work while it's still kind of hot. I'm going to add a cup of powdered sugar, but I'm just going to sift it a little bit. Just so there's not any lumps in it. You don't have to do this, but that's what I'm going to do. Sift it. We want to get our pecans in here and a little pinch of salt and some vanilla.
Happy.
Honey, all it is to it. Look at there. It's all it is to it. Get it stirred in here. Let's go ahead and get our pecans going in here. We want it to be smooth. Now I'm going to do a cup and a half of pecans. In they go. Might as well just go ahead and add the rest of that law.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to work it.
Fold them in.
Fold them in, that's right.
And it smells delicious.
It does. And it's already starting to set. So you got to work fast. Teaspoon of vanilla. That vanilla just gives it a good flavor, y'all. Yummy. Now I've got my little parchment paper ready to go. Look at that.
Y'all.
So good. So good.
Tell y'all how good that smells.
Now the worst part about this is you got to wait for about 30 minutes.
I'm not a good waiter.
No, if you're not a good waiter.
Patience is not my best strength.
No. But you know what they say about patience? It's a virtue.
It is.
All right, so we're going to start putting these on. All my little doodads over here. We're going to start putting this on the parchment paper and letting them set. We're going to work quick on these. Yummy. I'm going to see if this little scoop, it might not do too good, but we're going to try her out. It'll be all right. Now, if you're impatient like James Russell, you can put these in the fridge and
speed that process
speed
up.
them along. Yes, speed them along. Also with the pecans, y'all. You can chop them. You can leave them whole. You can do half and half.
And you roasted these, right?
I did roast them. Yes, I did. I just like the flavor. It really brings out the flavor in these. And I'll also tell you, if it starts to set up in your pot while you're doing this, you can just put it right back on the heat for just a minute or so. And
y'all, I'm gonna tell you, I appreciate this kind of gift from somebody more than anything they could actually buy. Just taking the time to create something, and it's way more appreciative to me. And it's that's not very expensive to give. No. It's just a little bit of time and effort. Let us know in the comments what y'all think about that. Do y'all like gifts that are bought? Do you like have something unwrapped?
Homemade goodies.
Or do you like the homemade goodies? That's what I look forward to the most about Christmas.
Absolutely.
The homemade candies and the goodies, and we live in a great neighborhood. Our neighbors bring goodies around and leave them up the door and stuff.
We share little goodies.
We really do. It's fantastic.
Yeah. Also, last year I made a good many little goodies. If y'all want to look back, I made all kind of little stuff that you can
I'll
give.
link some stuff in the. I'll link some of the videos in the.
You can give these, and honey, my little work buddies and stuff. Oh, they love getting little goodies like this. And like I said, it's inexpensive. I mean, you can. I know pecans. If you have a pecan tree, God love you.
Yeah.
But you're lucky, yes. But if not, you can get a whole bag of pecans. How much was a pecan, Russell?
Like $12 for a big bag.
And butter and all. But I mean, you don't have to put a whole thing of these in there. Just gonna go right there.
They go a long way too.
It goes a long way. It does. But fudge and all those kind of little goodies like that are so good to give. Look at that. And you see how quick it was. Honestly, no time at all. And these are done. We're going to let these set, like I said, for about 30 minutes. And Russell can give us a little taste
then it's
test,
my
say what he
time,
thinks of it. All right, time to taste.
Time to taste.
Just like that, y'all. This is so simple to throw together.
It really was. I was surprised.
Not even 10 minutes.
Not even 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And you know, we've been all over the place, seen these all over the South.
Oh,
you see them all
Lord,
over the
yes.
place. New Orleans,
Savannah,
Charleston,
yes.
Myrtle Beach. We've been a lot of places, and pralines are made a lot of places. And you see them, and they got these big machines where they turning it and they spit them out. I did not realize they were this easy to make. I did not realize that till today.
Make them at home, honey. Make them at home.
They're not hard, y'all.
They're not hard. I think you can do it.
I could probably do it, to be honest.
I think you could. And they are very expensive too. Like
they are. If you buy them in the candy stores or whatever, they are very expensive.
They are.
Which, I mean, pecans aren't cheap, but still, you know, everything else you already got. Really, most people have. Yeah.
I keep the rest of it on hand. And I will say, y'all, I use the salted butter. You can put a little pinch of salt in there on top of the salted butter if you want to, but because I use the salted butter, I did not add the salt, but you can add your little pinch of salt in there if you have unsalted butter. So you do want a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, look at that. Look at these.
them.
What?
And,
oh, my goodness.
It really doesn't take long to set at all. It really didn't. And
they look just as good as the candy store, y'all.
Well, give them a little.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Give them a taste.
Why don't you go in there with me? Let's try them out. Here, cheers. There you
cheers.
Go. Oh.
A pecan
Oh man. Oh man.
So good. Melt in your mouth.
Y'all.
Really good.
Man, treat yourself. This is a winner here, y'all. For real. I know I say this all the time, but this one right here, file this one away. Give this one a try and get them comments and let us know that you did.
I'm just eating. I'm letting him talk.
I know. She's enjoying.
I love them. I really do.
They are delicious, y'all. They really are. I did not know they were this easy to make something this good. I did not realize that. I really didn't.
It's amazing what a little butter and a little brown sugar can do.
Fantastic.
And a vanilla and cream. It is just amazing. Fudge, all kind of stuff.
Toast your pecan. You can just taste it.
That enhances the flavor. It really does. It really does.
Fantastic. Man.
So, easy, simple, no candy thermometer. Just you and your little pot, honey. Yeah. You got this. Y'all got this.
Y'all get in there and do it.
And you can stack them up in a little, they sell the little baggies at Dollar Tree. You
put your little bow on there.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Put your little
bag.
Make them pretty. Make them pretty. And give them out.
You will be impressed. The people you take these to will be impressed. I'm telling you. They'll be like, what?
Make them homemade goodies, y'all. Get in your kitchen this Christmas.
People will appreciate it. I know I do. I can only speak for myself, but I appreciate that more than people give me a gift. I really do.
Yeah. Enjoy it.
It reminds me of my grandmothers. They used to do, Christmas time was always my favorite time. They'd be in there making them candies and all the different chocolates and candies and goodies.
Cookies. My mom always made the cutout cookies and decorate them. Oh, wow. I still love a cookie. Whew.
Yeah, absolutely.
Love her heart. Anyway, y'all, give this a try. If you have any other little recipes you want to share with me, you just give me some recipes. Miss Bev, she's been sharing.
Yeah, Miss Bev, she's been on it. That's right.
She's on it, and I do appreciate it.
Yeah, she does. She likes having ideas, and we appreciate it. Yep.
All right. Well, y'all get in the kitchen, make yourself some goodies, and until next time.